All right, guys, we finna get ready and change the turn signal, the brake light on a 1999 Chevy Suburban. First, we're gonna, there's two Phillips screws right here. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. One right there and one right there. We're gonna remove those two screws first. All right, once you pull it out, just unplug this and take this off. Need a 1/4-inch socket to take both of those off. All right, once you take that off, pull it off, and you just take it out of here and replace the bulb as closed. Right there, you can see it's gonna be that one. It's burnt. All right, guys, the bulb you need is 3057. Want to push it up in there. That's it. Check it to make sure you work. Make sure your turn signal work before you put it back in, and put it back in the same way you took it out. All right, guys, later. I'm out.